Hey, so I gotten a few questions over the years, starting back on Windows 10 on how do I get my icons back on the desktop? And why did Microsoft take these icons away in the first place? I think they were trying to clean the desktop up and simplify things a little bit. But in doing that, like most of the time, what Microsoft does is they just limit us and take away options. You can get them back though. Let's go ahead and go over how to do that. You're going to notice my desktop, like a lot of people's desktop, has a good amount of stuff on the desktop. But certain icons used to come by default, like the My Computer icon, which is now called This PC, the network icon, the control panel. And what you want to do is you want to go to your background, whatever your background is, and right click, and you want to go to Personalize. Once you go there, you're going to go to Themes, and then you're going to go to desktop icon settings. And then here you can actually select which ones of these icons you want on your desktop. For instance, the recycle bin, the control panel, network, user files, which is very useful because that takes you directly to your My Documents, takes you directly to your pictures, videos, everything you would save in the default locations in Windows. And they don't even put this on the desktop by default, or the computer icon, which takes you to all your drives. For instance, if I were to go to this PC, look, I've got access to all of my mapped drives over my network on my NAS, as well as I've got access to the main drives on this computer. And I can go right to the drives and do whatever I need to. Now, some people will tell you, well, you can just do this with, with the regular, Explorer, File Explorer. You just click on File Explorer. Well, File Explorer takes you to Home and Quick Access, but doesn't take you directly to this PC. You got to go to File Explorer and then go to this PC. I find myself wanting to go directly to this PC most of the time and not necessarily go to Home. Because I like to know exactly where my files are at, what drive letter, what folder they're in, etc. A lot of people get confused by this, and this is a very common problem people have with computers today. They absolutely don't know where any of their stuff is. They don't know where their pictures are. They don't know where a file they downloaded is. They don't know where anything is. And part of the reason is that Microsoft took these things away off your desktop. Another, for instance, is if I go over here and I want to open up my section here. So this right here would be the, if I go back to themes and desktop icons, this would be the user files check mark, right? And that's Mr. On Demand. So if I go in there, I can actually see all of the stuff that I have in my user files, which would be my pictures, the documents. I can go directly to all the user files directly there. So that's how you get these icons back on your desktop so you can use them and use them correctly so that you can make your computer more useful. If you don't want those icons on your desktop, you don't have to have them on your desktop. It's just the option to be able to do that. I like to have them on my desktop. Maybe you don't. I'm just trying to help people out because I've had some people ask me, where are they? How do I get to them? And that's how. You guys have a great day. This is Mr. On Demand, and you guys let me know if this was a big help to you. If it was, hit a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments section below what other types of tricks or things that you would like me to cover and help you guys out on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.